The dark web refers to content that isn't indexed by search engines and that requires special software or authorization to access. Dark web content lives on the darknet, a part of the internet accessible only to particular browsers or through specific network configurations. While the dark web is often depicted as an anarchic forum for criminal activity, that's not necessarily true. The darknet is simply an anonymous space on the web that can be abused or appreciated in turn. In this video, we're going to discuss the top 10 dark websites. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. ProPublica. ProPublica is an independent, non-profit news publication that works to uncover abuses of power by public officials, institutions, and businesses through investigative journalism with a moral force. As a non-profit, ProPublica's work is financed through donations, with the publication providing transparent accounting so donors are able to track their spending. Founded in 2007, the publication has become the recipient of multiple Pulitzer Awards. ProPublica having its own .onion site is a big win for free speech and recognition for internet freedom. Number 9. Sci-Hub. Sci-Hub is a platform with a mission to liberate scientific knowledge from all over the world. On Sci-Hub, you will find around 50 million research papers that you can access for free. That way, even if an institution or an individual doesn't have sufficient funding, they can still get access to the world's collective scientific knowledge. Who knows, maybe someday this resource will help end diseases, droughts, and hunger, if it hasn't already. It was founded in 2011 by Alexandra Elbakian from Kazakhstan. Are you a science lover? Or have you been looking for some pretty specific information related to your research? Or maybe you just believe that knowledge should be free and accessible to everyone. Sci-Hub might be the place for you then. Number 8. Facebook. You can access Facebook via the dark web by using the official Facebook.onion mirror. For a company that collects its users' data, providing a mirror.onion site looks disturbing and surprising. Although it has not willingly shared user data, Facebook has a scary habit of collecting data of its users. Even with the .onion site, Facebook has still refused to grant dark web users total anonymity. Although, the features of its dark websites are interesting. Firstly, you can create and use an account anonymously. You can use Facebook's services without exposing yourself to the company's privacy-eroding tentacles. Secondly, if Facebook is blocked in your location, you can use the dark web Facebook mirror to circumvent the censorship. Facebook's Onion link allows its users to surf through the Facebook options that were ordinarily made available in certain countries. The user can evade the company's censorship. On the other hand, it will be difficult for a third party to trace your activity across the app. Therefore, to an extent, the level of your privacy is guaranteed since your profile can anonymously use the app without other people, except for Facebook itself, tracing it back to you. Number 7. DuckDuckGo. Google collects a lot of your information. Its search results tend to be biased. DuckDuckGo, however, was built on the idea of not collecting user data. The results that this search engine shows you are always neutral. It's similar to the Surfshark search feature offered by Surfshark. You're most likely to find DuckDuckGo useful outside of the dark web. Indeed, it doesn't search for Tor websites. This is a bit of a bummer since the popular Tor search engines are all ugly and uncomfortable to use. DuckDuckGo has a presentation similar to Google, and unlike the Tor search engines, it won't lead you to quite so many illegal websites after a simple search. Number 6. SecureDrop. The dark web is one of the few ways whistleblowers can share their information while ensuring anonymity. Whistleblowers regularly have scandalous information that exposes corruption or data privacy violations about an organization or government and need to pass it over to the journalists. If they do so on the regular web, they'll probably be tracked and at times be silenced or made to suffer repercussions, for instance, Edward Snowden. SecureDrop is a .onion site that ensures the protection of whistleblowers and journalists worldwide by providing a platform to collaborate. SecureDrop provides a safe platform for whistleblowers to share sensitive information with news outlets while remaining anonymous. It auto-encrypts the data being submitted to it by the users. Number 5. Freenet. Freenet is another peer-to-peer platform that encrypts data before it is shared. It uses a similar technique to other browsers, which is routing the communication through different nodes. It uses a decentralized distributed network for encrypting data that is being shared. That is how it becomes very difficult to be hacked. Users that access Freenet give some of their bandwidth and hard drives. They can access it in the darknet or opennet mode. The main difference in the darknet mode is that users can access content that is uploaded only to the Freenet network and not outside it. There also is no copyright enforcement in Freenet. Copywriting means monitoring communication, and that means no freedom of speech, which is against their rules. Number 4. Tor Metrics. If you're interested in the privacy and how the Tor project works, this website will give you some extra insight. On Tor Metrics, you can find more information about the Tor project. Moreover, if you're researching Tor and the dark web for a school project, this page can help you with statistics. Among other things, you can see how many people use the Tor browser and how many .onion websites there are. The statistics of Tor users can also give you a good indication of how much activity there is on the dark web, how many hidden services exist, and where most users on the dark web are from. Only about 2% of Tor users use the browser for accessing the dark web. Some of the most prolific Tor users are from countries with relatively small populations, such as Germany and the Netherlands. Number 3. Hidden Wiki. It is the dark version of Wikipedia. Hidden Wiki is an excellent place to start an adventure through the dark web. Dark websites typically don't have a proper description like surface ones. They are often more ambiguous. What Hidden Wiki website does is provide better Onion directory links that most dark websites cannot provide. Some legal information is present in the provided links or domains on Hidden Wiki. There are numerous Onion links to various dark websites, and it can get scary when you venture into forbidden lands. However, certain website links, especially whistleblowers, are monitored for censorship by law enforcement agencies. You will find both legal and illegal links when surfing through the website. When using Hidden Wiki, a device with good encryption, Onion routers, or a Tor browser is the most basic of needs. There are many counterfeit or makeshift Hidden Wiki on the dark web. When unsuspecting user ventures into any of these websites, they can be attacked by malware or cyber criminals. Number 2. Omia. An interesting part of Omia is that it lets you browse dark web links using a normal browser like Google Chrome. This is even though you would eventually need Tor to access those obtained links, but it lets you at least see them this way. On the other hand, it also has an Onion URL. Usage statistics are also available on its site, characterized by simple and unique search queries and simple and unique search results on both the Tor and I2P networks. A notable feature of this search engine is that it appears to be simplistic while highly functional at the same time. Further, it places the comfort of its users at heart, with an example of being that with one click, it allows you to add your own dark web hidden service to its database. Number 1. Number Station. It's hard to say what exactly is Number Station. The site is eerily empty. Pitch black background, no buttons, menus, or text, just a floating seek bar with a play button. Once you hit play, your ears will be flooded with whispering, shrieks, words muttered in unrecognizable dialects, and garbled voices. Nightmare fuel, yes, but nothing supernatural about them. It's alleged that the strange noises and voices are actually coded messages, probably sent by secret operatives. Whether that statement is actually true remains to be seen, the proverbial grain of salt. Number Station kind of reminds you of just Scream Baby, a clear web website where you can record your own scream or listen to other people's scream. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.